High in the dense rainforests of Papua New Guinea and northern Australia lives one of the most remarkable and lesser-known marsupials on Earth, the tree kangaroo. Unlike the kangaroos we usually picture bounding across the open grasslands of Australia, tree kangaroos have taken an entirely different evolutionary path. These unique animals have traded the wide plains for towering trees, adapting their bodies and behavior to a life spent among the branches. There are about 14 known species of tree kangaroos, all belonging to the genus Dendrologus, which means tree hare. Most species are found in Papua New Guinea, with a few living in the rainforests of northeastern Australia. Some species, like the Goodfellow's tree kangaroo, are especially famous for their striking reddish-brown fur with golden stripes, while others blend more subtly into the forest canopy. What makes tree kangaroos so fascinating is the way they differ from their terrestrial cousins. While ground-dwelling kangaroos have powerful hind legs designed for long distance hopping, tree kangaroos have shorter, stockier legs with strong forelimbs and curved claws that allow them to grip branches securely. Their tails, long and heavy, provide balance as they climb and leap from tree to tree. Unlike typical kangaroos that can barely climb, tree kangaroos are excellent climbers, moving with surprising agility through the dense rainforest canopy. Their diet is also adapted to forest life. Tree kangaroos feed mainly on leaves, fruits, flowers, and bark, plucking vegetation with their dexterous forepaws. Some species are known to eat occasional insects or bird eggs, but they are primarily herbivores. Because their food is less energy-rich than grass, they tend to move slowly and deliberately, conserving energy as they navigate the treetops. Despite their calm appearance, tree kangaroos can make sudden, powerful leaps of up to 30 feet from one branch to another. A breathtaking sight for those lucky enough to witness it. One of the most extraordinary features of tree kangaroos, like all marsupials, is their method of reproduction. Females give birth to a tiny, underdeveloped joey, no larger than a jelly bean, which then crawls into her pouch. There, the joey attaches to a teat and continues developing for several months. Even after leaving the pouch, the young tree kangaroo often returns for safety and milk, riding on its mother's back or clinging to her fur as she climbs. This intimate bond between mother and offspring is one of the most endearing aspects of their life cycle. Tree kangaroos are mostly solitary and shy animals, making them difficult to study in the wild. They tend to be most active during the early morning and late afternoon, spending the rest of the day resting quietly in the treetops. Their elusive behavior, combined with the remote and rugged habitats they live in, means that many species remain poorly understood, and some may already be on the brink of extinction without us even realizing it. Sadly, like many rainforest creatures, tree kangaroos face serious threats. The biggest challenge is habitat destruction. Logging, mining, and agricultural expansion in Papua New Guinea and Australia are cutting down vast swaths of rainforest, leaving tree kangaroos with fewer places to live. Hunting also poses a danger, as some local communities hunt them for meat. Several species, including the Goodfellow's tree kangaroo and the Matschie's tree kangaroo, are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable marsupials. Sanctuaries and national parks provide safe havens, where tree kangaroos can live without the immediate threat of hunters or bulldozers. International breeding programs in zoos around the world are also helping to maintain healthy populations, while raising awareness about the plight of these unique animals. Conservationists emphasize that saving tree kangaroos is not just about preserving a single species, but also about protecting the entire rainforest ecosystem that countless other animals depend on. The tree kangaroo represents the incredible adaptability of life. While most kangaroos evolved to dominate the open plains, this small branch of the family tree took to the skies, the treetops, and carved out a niche high above the forest floor. It is a reminder that evolution does not follow a single path but can lead to astonishingly different solutions, even within the same family of animals. For those fortunate enough to trek through the rainforests of Papua New Guinea, spotting a tree kangaroo can feel like encountering a creature from a dream. Its soft fur, gentle eyes, and calm movements contrast sharply with its ground-dwelling relatives, yet its pouch and joey reveal the unmistakable link to the kangaroo lineage. Watching one pause on a branch, gazing quietly at its surroundings, feels like a glimpse into a hidden world, where nature still thrives in its most mysterious form. In the end, the tree kangaroo is more than just a curiosity. It is a symbol of the delicate rainforests of the Pacific, Protecting it means protecting the lungs of our planet, the home of countless species, and the cultural heritage of the people who share the land. If we can ensure that these tree-dwelling marsupials continue to leap gracefully among the branches, then we are also ensuring a future where the rainforests themselves can survive and flourish.